four-person's family opens the refrigerator door up to 79 times a day for go-to foods like water and milk, losing 41% cold air while doing so. With LG's Door and Door, you don't need to open the entire refrigerator to drink that cup of water or milk. Easily access your favorite snacks and beverages without losing cold air in the refrigerator.